Spring cleaning season is here. Discover the top 4 pure water power essentials every window cleaner needs to shine. Kicking off our list, pure water power brushes are essential for spring window cleaning. These brushes are available in 16, 20, and 23 inches. They offer 3 different types of bristles: boar's hair, nylon, and hybrid, providing you with multiple options to suit your specific cleaning needs. Next, the PWP carbon fiber water-fed pole stands out for its lightweight design and strength. Extend your reach comfortably, tackling high windows without the ladder hassle. Midway through our list is the Pure Water Power Single RO/DI system, a comprehensive 4-stage purification system designed to tackle a wide range of impurities. This system ensures your water is crystal clear and free of minerals, perfect for leaving windows spotless and streak-free. Its multi-stage process makes it a standout choice for thorough cleaning, offering superior performance for professional window cleaners. Completing our list, the PWP Extended Gooseneck is a great pick for accessing hard-to-reach areas and is available in 12-inch, 18-inch, and 20-inch sizes. These variants cater to different height requirements, ensuring you have the precise tool for every job. The Gooseneck's design facilitates direct and effective cleaning and is ideal for tackling elevated or awkwardly positioned windows. Equip yourself with these pure water power essentials and set your window cleaning business up for success this spring. To explore more from Pure Water Power, head on over to purewaterpower.com and see what tools are right for you.